Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. Install Minikube on Mac. Minikube is a fantastic tool for running Kubernetes cluster locally, which is used for development, testing, and learning purpose. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lian Duan, and I have developed for 20 years, specializing in DevOps and cloud security. In today's video, I'll demo install Kubernetes version 1.32 on my Mac OS. The Mac OS version is 14.3.1. Based on the Minikube document, we have to install Docker Desktop and Homebrew first, and then install Minikube and Kubectl command line. Let's start. First, we need to ensure that Docker Desktop is installed on your Mac. Docker Desktop is a prerequisite for Minikube, as it provides a necessary container running environment. Before installing Docker Desktop, we need to check the type of CPU for your Mac. This is important because Docker Desktop behavior differently on Mac Silicon compared to the Intel CPU. How to check your CPU type? Move your mouse to the left top corner, click Apple icon, and then select about this Mac. There is your CPU type. For example, my CPU is a Apple M2. Also, you have to at least 4 GB memory available on your box. But here is a little heads up if you're a big company with more than 250 people, or your company make a lot of money, like more than $10 million a year, then you need to pay the license. I will create a video running Minikube with the container D on the Mac, just in case you face a license challenge. Open the link to download the Docker Desktop. I use the Apple M2 CPU, so select the first download option. Download completed. Open the file. Drop the Docker into Applications folder. Copy in progress. Start Docker. You will see the message. Docker is the application downloaded from internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Click Open. When you see the UI render means we install Docker Desktop successfully. The status in here, we can see Docker engine is running. Head to our Markdown file. Once the Docker Desktop is installed, the next step is to install Homebrew. Homebrew is a package manager for Mac OS. It likes Chocolate in Windows or apt package manager in Ubuntu. To install Homebrew, simply copy and run the command. Enter. Input the password which one you log into your Mac OS. Install completely. Run brew space config command to get the configuration detail, information such as CPU type and my Mac OS version. Close the command window. You can refer to the doc for more detail about Homebrew. Now we have a Docker Desktop and Homebrew setup. Let's install Minikube. Install Minikube is a simple run command. Brew install Minikube. You'll see the message because I already installed the Minikube in my box. Based on the information, let me use this command. Reinstall the Minikube. Clean up the screen. And then start the Minikube. Command is Minikube start. Behind the scene, Minikube uses Docker as a container running environment to launch a Linux container and install related components. Use the Minikube status command to check the Minikube running detail. Running information looks good. Clean up the screen. Minikube is now installed and running on your Mac. You can check its status anytime using Minikube status command. Move to next slide. Latest, we need to install Kubectl command. That is Kubernetes command line tool. Again, Homebrew makes its process straightforward. Command is brew install Kubectl. Run Kubectl version to retrieve Kubectl client version and Kubernetes cluster version. And then test Kubectl access to Minikube. Command is Minikube Kubectl git pod all information. Enter. All requests part are running. For more detailed instructions, you can visit the Kubectl official document. I shared the link in there. And there you have it. You are successfully installed Minikube on your Mac, allowing with all necessary dependencies. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or running any issue, feel free to leave them below. I'll try to help you out. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.